Hello, right, today we're going to be looking at the place value of decimal fractions. So shall we start by trying to put these three numbers in order of largest value to smallest value first?
Okay.
Okay, are we happy with that? Now if we look at these, we've got two different answers behind it, haven't we? Do you want to explain your thinking to each other as to why you think they should be there?
Well, I think mine's right because if you look here, I've got the biggest number because look, it's got 5 digits and it's the biggest. So and then we've got 2 digits there, and there was only 4 across, and there's 3 there. So
what you're saying is bigger because this is the biggest number because it's got 3 numbers after the decimal
Yes.
point, and this one's only got 2.
yeah, look, it says 124 there. That's only 75, and that's only 3.
So what do you
Okay,
think
well,
about that?
You see, I don't really agree because I looked, like, firstly I looked at the tenths, and they're all 10. And then I looked at the ones, or the units, and they're all 5. So then I have to go the other side of the decimal point, and well, I looked at this one and it was quite small. So then I looked at this one and it was also like not as big as 7. So 7 was the biggest. So 7/10 was the biggest, and then 3/10 came after, and then this is only 1/10, so it has to be the smallest.
Okay, that's really good, Seb. So what we've understood here now, Richard, is we're talking about place value, yes? And can you understand that what Sarah said about these are all the same, aren't they? So we've got to look at the parts of the tenths here.
Yeah.
So if we maybe look at tenths first, and then that might make it slightly clearer as to what we're doing. So, say if we're looking at these two numbers here, and we want to find out the biggest number, what we could do is break it down into tenths and units. So, if we've got 2 units, if we fill in these here, that's 1, 2, 6, 7, 10. That's 1 unit done.
Right. Okay.
And then
So would that be 10
tenths.
makes
That's
1?
it. It's okay. So
10 tenths makes 1. Right. Okay.
okay, and now we're going to do another one. So now we've got 2 whole units, and they're made up of tenths. Okay.
Okay.
So one
So that-
whole.
So that makes that bit.
Yes, that's your two. That's your 2 units there. Now we've got to look at this, which is the part of the whole number, and it's 3/10. So how many of these tenths here do you think we need to fill in?
3.
Yeah. So we've got 1/10, 2/10, and 3/10. So now we've got 2 whole units and 3/10, which is 2.3. Do you want to try this with the next number, which is 2.7?
Okay. Right. Okay. So if we know that's the same as this one, they've got 2. So we know that one of these columns is a tenth. There's 10 tenths. So that makes it a whole unit. So that means we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's one.
So that's 10 tenths.
That's 1
and that
tenth.
makes 1 unit.
That's 1 unit. So if we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2 lots. So it's my 2 units of 2 lots of 10
That's
tenths.
your whole numbers, isn't it?
That's
so
so I've now got
we're
a whole
looking
number.
into your parts of a decimal, parts of a whole number,
That's a whole number.
and then
Right.
tenths.
So that
this
had
column.
3 and that had 7. So we've only cost of 3, so I've got to have 7 tenths. It's not quite a whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, done that wrong, haven't I? Take that one out.
That's it. Okay, so but you can see now that to make up 2 sevenths, you need more tenths than you do if you had 2 tenths. 2 thirds. Oh god.
Sorry,
Right, anyway, shall we stop? Can't we?
Okay.
No, we don't have to go going for the whole thing, do we? Because we can just
Oh,
cut it
no.
out. We just
You
cut
do
it
that?
out, yeah. As long
Okay.
as it's not too big on that
So
thing.
what, shall I stop it now and then?
Yeah, if you want to.
Read it
Yeah.
up?
Yeah. Okay. I'll do it on that. You've got me going then as well, Rich. You're doing so well then, up until then, I reckon, aren't you? Just like that.